Good evening everyone sa 200 million viewers natin sa Cool Pals Podcast. Ngayon, it's a special day kasi meron tayong isang guest ngayon na coming from Notre Dame of Parang. Ito ay si Resperon and Balansag.
Okay, Hood, thank you for having me in your podcast today, no? So, let's talk about ICT.
Okay, so dahil nga na-mention mo ang ICT, let's straight to the point na tayo. So, ano nga ba ang contribution ng ICT para sa'yo?
Personally, science and technology have made my daily life more convenient, no? By improving communication and access to information. So, tol, marami akong kaibigan and it helped me communicate to them in different platforms. Not just in real-life situations, but also online.
So, you mentioned social, no? So, ngayon, sa society, ano nga ba yung contribution ng ICT sa society?
Okay, first sa education, Hood. Technology has transformed education through online learning platforms, digital libraries, and educational applications. It made learning more accessible and interactive. And also, sa health, maraming advances sa health. Example na dyan, ang modern medical equipment, telemedicine, and digital health records na nag-improve ng healthcare services ng ating mga hospitals. And lastly, sa ating government awareness programs. Technology helped citizens stay informed about government programs, lalong-lalo na today na maraming natural calamities. Ang ICT is one way to spread awareness and security and safety sa lahat ng Filipinos nationally.
So, mas napapabilis yung information.
Yes.
So, ngayon, let's be specific. You as a STEM student, ano nga ba yung mga latest ICT innovation?
Okay, I have many examples here, no? First one is the virtual science hubs. You know, yung DOST natin, or Department of Social Science and Technology, developed virtual laboratory application in science laboratories. Nag-allow siya ng students to perform immersive 360-degree virtual experiments. Ganon ka-advanced ngayon, providing laboratory experiences even without physical facilities. And also, AI robotic laboratories, programs such as the AI-powered weather forecasting project. So, DOST, nag-support sila ng robotic hubs to give students hands-on experience in artificial intelligence and robotics. And isa pa, Starbooks, known as the Science Library in a Box, nag-provide siya ng offline access to thousands of scientific and educational resources. Ganon kagaling ang ICT sa STEM learning.
Grabe talaga ang improvement, no? Using this ICT. So,
Yes.
I think, let's wrap it up for today.
Yeah, talaga, ganon talaga. Madami talagang ambag ang ICT sa atin.
So, stay tuned for more updates dito sa Cool Pals. Maraming salamat, Resperon Balansag, at sa mga viewers.
Sayonara!